Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by setting the stage. Open Flipaclip and make a new project at your preferred resolution. 24 frames per second works well for smooth motion. Import a cat reference on layer 1 and lock it so you don't accidentally move it. Then create a sketch layer above and a separate color layer. This separation makes cleanup easier. Once done, sketch the emoji-style face with simple shapes, big eyes, round cheeks, so you can build clean keyframes next. Now you animate. Pick key poses for the cat emoji, neutral, blink, smile, and place them every 3 to 6 frames depending on speed. Make sure to enable onion skin, set it to about 3 to 5 frames, and check the flow. This helps you see motion arcs and maintain consistent proportions. Once your keys look right, insert breakdowns and in-betweens on the sketch layer, then move cleaned line work to the ink layer and prepare to fill colors on the color layer. Finish by inking and filling. Lock line work, paint base colors, then add quick shading and highlights for depth. Keep shapes simple for emoji readability. Once complete, preview the entire clip, make tiny timing tweaks, and set export settings. MP4 for video or GIF for short loops, 24 FPS gives a smooth result. If frames appear jittery, smooth problematic frames, or slightly adjust timing, make sure onion skin is off for final export, and you're ready to share your emoji cat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.